Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss our any single video.
OAuth 2.0 Open Authorization. OAuth is an open standard protocol that allows an end user's credentials to access third-party applications without exposing the user's password. OAuth acts as the middleman to decide whether to allow end users access to third-party applications. For example, say you want to access web application XYZ, and you do not have a user account for accessing this web application. However, XYZ has the option to allow you to log in using the credentials from a social media website ABC. So you access the website using the social media login. For this to work, the application XYZ is registered with ABC and is an approved application. When you access XYZ, you use your user credentials for ABC. Then XYZ requests an access token from ABC on your behalf. Now you have access to XYZ. XYZ knows nothing about you and your user credentials, and this interaction is totally seamless for the user. Using secret tokens prevents a malicious application from getting your information and your data. This figure displays the OAuth process. In the figure, there is an arrow from the user to web app XYZ with the label Access Services. Another arrow from the user to servers for OAuth 2.0 with the label Authenticates, Access Granted. Between the web app XYZ and servers for OAuth 2.0, there are two arrows. One arrow labeled Access Data is going from web app XYZ, another labeled Tokens Issued is going from servers for OAuth 2.0 to web app XYZ.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.